Hello, barcode enthusiasts. Welcome back to the ID Automation channel for an exciting update in the world of barcodes. Today we'll be exploring the GS1 Sunrise 2027 initiative, compare the benefits of the new GS1 digital link versus linear barcodes, and we'll even build an example in crystal reports. Let's get started. You might be asking, what is Sunrise 2027? It marks a shift in the global supply chain towards accepting 2D barcodes at points of sale and care. These codes offer a standardized solution, meeting the needs of both the supply chain and consumers alike. You might already be familiar with the one-dimensional linear barcode. You see it on boxes, and it's currently used to scan products at a POS or point-of-sale system. While the GS1 1D barcode has the ability to hold a global trade item number, it may not be enough with the growing demands of the supply chain and customers. Individuals want more traceability, authentication, sustainability, and meaningful interactions with the products they're purchasing. You may be utilizing the GS1 2D barcode on your packaging already. While it's great for sharing product information, it's only scratching the surface of what QR or data matrix barcodes can do. With ID Automation's implementation of GS1's digital link, you can say goodbye to inventory headaches as batch numbers, serial numbers, and expiry dates come alive in your barcode. Connect consumers to trusted web pages brimming with precise nutritional details, sustainability nods, and even product recall alerts, all updated in real time by your company. Imagine slashing food waste by a whopping 40% with all this info at your fingertips. And not to mention all that valuable data gathered with each scan. If you're ready to take your company's product to the next level and create robust customer interactions, then you'll want to incorporate the GS1 Digital Link QR or Data Matrix data carriers into your supply chain operations. It's time to create a GS1 Digital Link QR code in Crystal Reports using ID Automation's native generator for Crystal Reports. Let's navigate to the zipped folder we downloaded from ID Automation and extract the files here. Once inside the unzipped folder, you'll see a few options. Let's open the ID Automation native QR code. All of ID Automation's QR code and data matrix products are compatible with GS1 Digital Link. Here we have the report open. You can click on Print Preview to get a better look at the final barcode. If we want to edit what's being encoded in the barcode, it's a breeze. Simply right-click the object and select Edit Formula. Scroll down to find where we can input our own string of data. Here, inside the Data to Encode field, we'll paste in our GS1 digital link. For this, we won't need the GS1 FNC1 character. Now, a quick save. If we use Print Preview, we'll see our GS1 digital link QR code. When you scan the barcode, the digital link will bring you to a landing or product page. There are many possibilities on what your company can do here. And although ID Automation doesn't cover using a resolver link redirection, you can utilize this tool to have multiple product pages with the help of a savvy webmaster. Let's take a closer look at that digital link. You'll spot our website domain. Then what follows is the AI that indicates the global trade item number, another AI with a serial number. Depending on your data needs, more application identifiers and attributes can be added, such as the mentioned expiry date, production date, country of origin, and so much more. That concludes our digital link QR code demo. Stay ahead of the supply chain curve by ensuring your products remain competitive. Incorporate ID Automation's data carrier solutions. As always, we are your source for quality symbology.